Very cold here in central Texas, but other parts of the U.S. have it worse. They're seeing wintry weather right now. Snow, ice, and freezing temps from the Midwest to the East Coast. Fox's Caroline Shively has that story.
It's a lot, and it's hoping people are staying safe for sure.
The massive winter storm blanketing much of the U.S. is only getting more intense. Snowfall in some areas is already setting records. The Midwest is the hardest hit. Kansas City reporting more than 11 inches, the most in more than 30 years. And some areas of northern Kansas got 18 inches. Winter storm warnings are now in effect from the Ohio Valley to the Mid-Atlantic. And with temperatures plunging in the coming days due to a polar vortex, officials are trying to clear the roads and get the lights back on as soon as possible.
We've really got one day to try to get power back to as many Kentuckians as possible before the wind chill gets down close to zero. So we've got a lot of work to do.
The vortex is pulling extremely cold air down from the North Pole. It's expected to bring temperatures down about 12 to 25 degrees colder than normal, raising fears of frostbite and hypothermia.
The tip of your finger or whatever organ's impacted may get red. Then it may progress to getting white or grayish color. It may feel firm. It may be really painful.
But in many areas, folks are out and about, spending time with neighbors and trying to enjoy the winter wonderland before it ices over.
Snow is something that seems to be bringing everybody together. It's the first time in a while I've seen so many smiles. It's great.
And here in D.C., the White House says President Biden is monitoring the storm and keeping in touch with state and local officials. In Washington, Caroline Shively, Fox News.